Hello everyone, my name is Taylor Jarique and I have chose to do my infomercial assignment on emergency preparedness. If you watch this infomercial today, you will learn all about emergency preparedness, why it is important, and why you should consider a position in this field. Emergency preparedness. Now, according to the website of Homeland Security, emergency preparedness is a continuous cycle of planning, organizing, training, equipping, exercising, evaluating, and taking corrective action in an effort to ensure effective coordination during incident response. How to be prepared and get involved. Now, some ways to get prepared for these disasters are learn CPR, learn first aid, volunteer or receive training for a disaster. And now any of these disasters could consist of natural disasters, terrorism acts, and any other type of disasters. You can also learn or promote preparedness online. There's many websites that people can post about their experiences or just their training that they went through and the types of plans that they use to help them prepare and if they worked or not. You can also be financially prepared for an emergency by saving money. You can make and practice your plan, which is extremely important to practice your plan and to make sure it's effective. One of the things to some of the things to include in your plan are creating a family meeting place just in case anyone gets separated, creating an evacuation route to know the safest way to get out of the area, and creating a shelter plan. Creating a shelter plan is also really important because just to know where that you and your family are going to have a safe place to be during the disaster, whether it's during it or after. And knowing which type of disasters could affect your area. This is also important because there are some states that are more prone to disasters like hurricanes or things like that, but it's still also, and even if you don't live in places like that, it is still also very important to be aware and to learn just in case you're traveling. Emergency preparedness specialists. Now, they are professionals who create plans and protocols if a public health emergency occurs, according to careers in public health. They work on emergency plans that may involve natural disasters, accidents, disease outbreaks, or environmental hazards. They train other emergency professionals and public health professionals. They host emergency preparedness drills, and they also research new solutions or technology to help improve emergency disaster plans. Now, plans are always improving, and because of new natural disasters that are occurring or any other type of disasters, there's always ways to improve your plans and just different ways to be safe. Education and training. Now, this requires a bachelor's degree and it does not require this certification, but it is recommended to have a certification in emergency preparedness management as well as the National Incident Management System. Now, like I said, although this is not required, it is still important to have this because you will get hired over someone that does not have it. And they can also be employed by the private, public, or government sectors and in public health, of course. The demand for these professionals is expected to rise 22%. The mean salary for an emergency preparedness specialist is $57,000 a year. However, the top 10% earned around $91,000. So get prepared today and join the public health field in emergency preparedness. Thank you.